Hello, this is Mr. Lorline with the weekly roundup for Literature 8 from October 12th until October 16th. So we will be kind of picking back up where we left off last week. Kind of going to be still focusing on central idea / main idea of the videos and Newsela articles that we are watching and reading. We're going to do the same thing on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, we're going to mix it up. We're actually going to be talking about connotation and denotation, begin a little activity on those two things. And then finish up that activity on Thursday, have a little fun game of quizzes on denotation and connotation. You'll have some time for your research for language arts on Thursday. And then on Friday, we're going to pick up with the Career Unit 3 worksheet on Google Classroom. And we're going to watch a video, do a Newsela article, but instead of the usual main idea, you are going to be focusing on denotation and connotation with the Newsela article. So that's your weekly roundup for this week for Literature 8.